Today I'm going to focus on the dash for this Datsun Resto-mod project. The car is a 1967 and the dash is an early 1967 dash, the same dash that was in all of the cars from 1965 to 1967. In 67.5 they made some changes to it. They blacked out the chrome and they took a dial or two out. In 68 they went to more of a safety dash. This early dash is generally considered the most desirable of dashes, and people have gone out of their way to install it in later model cars. The dials I've installed in it come from Classic Instruments. They're their Hot Rod series with the larger 4 5/8 inch tack and speedo with a 2 1/8 inch small dials, and I added a clock that's 2 5/8 inch. To get them to fit, I had to bore out all 3 of the larger dials, and for the smaller dials, they're a little bit too small for the holes, but they fit fine. Just secure them well in the back. Other modifications that I've done is I drilled 3 holes into the dash. The first hole is for the check engine light of the SR20DE engine. And the other 2 holes, one was for this plug, this button that allows you to set the trip and adjust the speedometer. And over here, this is the clock adjust button that I had to drill for the clock. Now, where things stand, it's almost complete, but I have not done the wiring. The ignition goes right there. I haven't put that back in either. The glove box is also not in. So here's the original glove box made out of cardboard, and it's just a little bit nasty. I could try and reuse it, but I did buy an aftermarket version, which I need to assemble and staple together. If you look on the back here, you'll see that none of the wiring is in place yet, which is fine. That'll be done in the next few months. The way I secured the chrome trim ring is actually with fuel lines. So if you look right here, you'll see one, and there, right there, there's another fuel line. And basically, I take 1/8 inch interior diameter fuel lines and cut them into small pieces and jam them on the posts. That holds it in place well. The fuel lines will harden and make them even more secure over time. So there you have it, a brief walk around of my current state of the Roadster dash. I guess one other thing I'll add is I did change the color. The original dash was gray, not unlike the gray of that cardboard. The new dash is a semi-gloss black, which I am very pleased with. I've never really loved the gray color. The black just makes it pop even better.